Hello, everyone. Let's take a deep dive in the makings of 34th Street. During this road assessment, we'll examine the current condition of 34th Street and how we might point out issues for your convenience. Also, we'll attempt to uncover any potential issues that may come to our attention that might cause you concern. And, like always, in an effort to keep you as safe as possible, we will explore all facets of 34th Street that may require your attention as you navigate on this road. For starters, as we begin this road assessment through this quaint residential area, you can clearly see that 34th Street is in fair condition. Prone to flooding, 34th Street does present minor issues in this area that some drivers may find problematic. For instance, at this point on 34th Street, you can clearly see how narrow it is. Some drivers may find this daunting, especially with oncoming traffic. Moreover, having to maneuver around parked automobiles may be a bit awkward for many drivers, especially if they are unfamiliar with the area. Also, in an effort to slow down potential speeders, drivers will come across a few road humps on this part of 34th Street. Additionally, as you can see here, drivers should always be mindful of parked automobiles along this area of 34th Street. And drivers are encouraged to drive with extra caution around this point on 34th Street, as it sometimes becomes a play area for children who may inadvertently dart onto the street. Also, drivers will have to watch out for trash and debris put out by residents that may fall onto 34th Street. In addition, 34th Street can become slippery after weather events such as rain or sleet. And at this point on 34th Street, drivers should watch out for huge holes along the side of the road. Also, drivers will experience significant road cracks and ongoing repair patches that could impact your driving experience. The transition from residential driving to more robust city driving requires a change in mindset at this point on 34th Street. As you navigate the busier areas of 34th Street, it is essential to prioritize safety and remain aware of your surroundings. For instance, the presence of concave manholes, long and distracting road seams, and the melodic thumping of concrete road fissures can pose significant challenges for some drivers. The road islands can be an issue for some drivers who accidentally hit them, thus causing potential issues for themselves and other drivers around them. As you can see here, there is an increase in traffic on this area of 34th Street. Therefore, drivers are encouraged to be mindful of other automobiles and pedestrian traffic on the sidewalk, especially near the bus stop areas, as some people have a tendency to step onto the street, looking for the next public bus. Also, it is important to be vigilant while driving on this area of 34th Street, particularly regarding the multiple median turn lanes present in this area. These lanes can pose a significant risk if drivers are not fully aware of their surroundings. Please keep in mind to check the trip channel before you travel to your next destination. And if there is a street that you want us to assess, please mention it in the comments section on this video. As you can see here, the dangers of unfocused driving behavior, particularly in congested intersections, cannot be overstated. As vehicles dart unexpectedly into your path, the risk of accidents escalates significantly. These intersections often present a confusing array of signals for some pedestrians and drivers alike, which can overwhelm even the most experienced motorist. If you enjoy this video and find its content helpful, please hit the like button. We would appreciate it very much. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming road assessments. Thank you for watching the Trip channel.